Hello class, we find ourselves in another video for our web design class. Now on this one what we'll do is we'll go over pages, specifically page and subpage, and how to set that up. Before you is my author website that I'm just now creating, and I have clicked on pages to get into my WordPress pages, and it has defaulted in here contact us and sample page. But what we'll do is we'll create an about page and maybe even a current projects and a history, just for the display of this demo. So the first thing I want to do is I want to click on the add new, and let's go ahead and just say about Matt Cole here as our title, and then we're going to need some information in here in regards of about Matt Cole. So I'm going to jump on my Amazon author page, and I'm going to extract some information just so that I can paste that into here. Now as you notice that the visual and text, if I go into text, it doesn't really show much of here as well as the visual right now. But what I like to do, instead of having all of this, I'm going to change it and just create a simple HTML link. So a href equals double quotes around the actual link itself, and I always use target equals double quote blank double quote. And what this will do is when someone actually clicks on the link, it'll open up a brand new web page as opposed to changing from current page to the new page. And we'll call this Matt Cole's Now page. And I'll add some description on that to check out the latest information. And then when we go back to visual, you can see now that the link has changed to the descriptive. So that's the first part. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and publish this, and then I'm going to create an additional one. And on this one, let's call this current projects. Now what I've done is I've actually created a little document over here, and I've copied down some of the information that we're going to just use here. And I'm going to again paste it into the visual, and I may have to clean this up. Items currently working on, and what I can even do is put links in here as well. Let's go ahead and say online items currently working on, and then on this one here we'll say books working on, and we'll go ahead and bold that. And then they'll have this one, this one, and we'll just put that information there as far as current. Now I want to draw your eyes over here on the right hand side, and here you'll see parent, and it defaults to no parent, but now we can have a choice here of the one we made before, the about Matt Cole. And what I do is I want to put the current projects under the about. I'll go ahead and publish this one as well. And if we go back to our pages, now what we'll see is we'll see our new initial about page, but we'll see the line indicating that it's under or a sub page of this one. So we have a parent page and we have a sub page. And you can continue to do this. You can also create this one as a parent to another one, and it's called nesting. And basically you're just nesting one page underneath another. So why would you want to do this necessarily? An example might be you might want a single page for web design class, and then you would want a sub page that might indicate tutorials on HTML. and then again you might nest in an additional subpage under your tutorials HTML with the specific references of HTML coding itself, on and on and on. And this is one of the ways that you can actually create your WordPress site as well, is by pages and nesting them underneath there, as opposed to post that most people use in regards to WordPress, specifically for their articles. So now that we have a parent and a sub page, we have to get it to be viewed on our actual website. So currently right now it's showing just, this is the website, it's not showing the pages, it's just showing the post. So in order to do that, I'll go in and I'll customize the current theme that I'm using, and then I can go into widgets, and what I'll do is I'm going to add it to the sidebar here. So right now we have the search, the recent post, comments, etc. Actually, I'm going to get rid of that because I don't need meta, and I'm going to add a widget, and I'm going to add pages. So now it's added the pages on here. You can see it drop down, but I'm going to push this up. Search. And this is what I want you to see. So now I have my main page, or parent page, and then my child page is now the current page. And I can create an additional one on there as far as like finished projects. And it would give you a page that might have some media on there, an extra links on the history of what has been completed. But we'll go ahead and save and publish that. We'll go to the main one and then refresh it, and this is what we have accordingly. So that's basically pages, specifically parent and child. I'm going to go ahead and trash these as well as I'm cleaning this up. The contact us can remain there. We can put in our information that we want to. Notice that there's no refresh when you delete a page. If I go back here now, do a refresh here, that's already gone. So that's pages, and that is a parent and sub page.